With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that increase in acidity of the arterial blood indicates which of the following conditions. So when we see that there is increased amount of partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the arterial blood, so the following reaction will take place which will increase the acidity of the blood. So carbon dioxide binds to water with the help of carbonic anhydrase enzyme, which is the fastest enzyme in the body, and then convert it into a weak acid, which is carbonic acid, which is unstable, and it gets broken up into H plus and HCO3 negative ions, while HCO3 negative ions will be exchanged for the chloride ions, and while the chloride ions move inside, this is called as a chloride shift. The H plus ions which are produced because of this reaction increases the acidity. That means it decreases the pH. So decrease in pH means there is more production of the carbon dioxide. More carbon dioxide production means that there is faster metabolism which is taking place, which requires more oxygen now. So here we see, let's see the options one by one. The first option here says it indicates fall in partial pressure of carbon dioxide. In fact, here more hemoglobin is attaching to the carbon dioxide. That means it indicates increase, not the fall. It indicates the rise in the partial pressure of carbon dioxide due to increased metabolic activities here. Now, so this option becomes wrong here. The second says it shifts the oxygen dissociation curve to the right side. While we talk about the oxygen dissociation curve, it is on the y-axis we have the percentage saturation of hemoglobin, and on the x-axis we have the partial pressure. So when the oxygen dissociation curve shifts to the right side, it indicates dissociation of oxygen from the hemoglobin. That means hemoglobin is already attaching to the oxygen to form HbO2. So what will happen, this HbO2 is now going to break down into oxygen and hemoglobin because there is more metabolism taking place inside the body and it requires more oxygen. So this is how the body is going to compensate for this increased acidity. So more oxygen will be released. That means the curve is going to shift towards the right side. So option number 2 here becomes the right answer for this question. The third one says it will not affect chemoreceptors in the aortic arch and the carotid artery. This is also not the right option. It is certainly going to stimulate the chemoreceptors. By stimulation of the chemoreceptors, it is going to give signals to the central nervous system, the respiratory centers in the medulla and the pons, which are further going to increase the respiratory rate to get rid of this increased carbon dioxide, right? And fourth one says it increases the affinity of hemoglobin to oxygen. This is also wrong. It is going to decrease the affinity and not increase, so that it binds loosely to it and can be released easily also. So the option which is correct here is the option number 2. That is, it will shift the oxygen dissociation curve towards the right side when the acidity of the arterial blood occurs due to increased carbon dioxide here. That is, increase in the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide, which is going to stimulate the body's chemoreceptors also, right? So this is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.